The Honda NX500 offers the perfect combination of performance and comfort, making it an ideal choice for riders looking for a motorcycle that can handle a variety of terrain, from highway to off-road. Honda decided to replace the CB500X middle-class adventure motorbike with the Honda NX500. The new term NX is an abbreviation of New X Over. Even so, the NX nomenclature was actually used by Honda on an air-cooled trail bike called the NX650 Dominator, which was released in 1988. To accompany the name change, Honda has given the NX500 some styling revisions, the most notable of which are new headlights and taillights. The new fascia now gets a larger windshield with a new, more modern LED light design. The fairing has also been made larger, which gives the impression of being stronger and more powerful. At first glance, this motorbike looks like a small version of the Honda XL750 Transalp. This motorbike also comes with new color choices consisting of Grand Prix Red, Matte Gunpowder Black Metallic, and Pearl Horizon White. Behind its outer appearance, the NX500 is still part of the Honda CB500 family. The bike is powered by the same 471cc, liquid-cooled, fuel-injected, parallel twin engine, which produces 47 HP and 43 Nm of torque. Power is sent to the rear wheels via a 6-speed manual transmission equipped with a slipper clutch for a very smooth ride. Like the CB500X before it, suspension duties are handled by a Showa separate function big piston fork, as well as a preload adjustable rear monoshock. Braking equipment comes in the form of twin disc brakes at the front and a single disc at the rear, as well as dual channel ABS as standard. On the technology side, a 5-inch full-color TFT screen is embedded with smartphone connectivity via Honda's RoadSync application.